Keep up to date with the latest news and information from Propertymark.
Welcome to Propertymark Pulse in association with Rightmove. So here we are into June already. In the blink of an eye, we are fast-paced to being halfway through 2026 already. And I think it's the only sector I've ever worked in where weeks feel like minutes. And I'm sure most people would agree there's never any clock watching here and there's always something new going on. So this week, let's jump into a report from Citizens Advice titled Letdown. And rightly so, this is likely to spark conversation and discussion. We're also going to talk about the latest numbers from the Bank of England regarding their money and credit reports, and I'll update you on Propertymark Connect too. So let's hit things head on.
Propertymark.
So Wednesday just gone brought the publication of a report from Citizens Advice regarding the private rented sector across England titled Letdown, and this will rightly prompt conversation. So firstly, let me share some of the key points that were raised within this report within their raw format. 48% of tenants have faced rule-breaking behaviour from letting agents, 24% said that agents had let themselves or landlords in or sent tradespeople without proper notice, 12% said their agent has sent unqualified tradespeople around to carry out work, 13% of tenants stated they faced fees that weren't expected. Like many reports, it's absolutely right the sector should be intently listening to genuine concerns at all times. The letting sector has evolved massively in recent years with growing consumer demand, and it is important the sector delivers on all current and future expectations, with Propertymark keen to see new regulations specific to both sales and letting agents implemented. Within all this, however, it's really important to underline the flip side of this coin, with the continuous hard work and absolute dedication to tenants delivered by many agents across the entire UK. I'd be really interested to know your thoughts and opinions on the report. Drop me a line at studio@propertymark.co.uk.
We are Propertymark.
Next, let's jump into the world of money and credit and check in on the figures from the Bank of England. The latest figures cover April 2026, and they brought a strange mix of positive and negative overall. Firstly, the part. Net borrowing of mortgage debt by individuals decreased to 4.4 billion in April 2026, down from 6.8 billion in March 2026. This was well below the previous 6 months average of 5.1 billion pounds. So, in many ways, certainly something to keep an eye on. Next, the more upbeat part. Net mortgage approvals for house purchases actually increased to 65,900 in April, well above the average of around 63,100 over the previous 6 months. With continued global unrest, these figures are likely to power some interesting reading, especially across the summer months, so we'll keep you fully in the know.
We are Propertymark.
So, we had liftoff for Propertymark Connect this week. However, for those who may not have heard about the platform, maybe in passing, let me give you a quick overview. It's an exclusive referral and lead generation platform designed to help Propertymark members win more business, generate additional income, and deliver better outcomes for customers. The platform is free for Propertymark members and enables them to send and receive referrals, valuation requests, and instructions through a trusted network of qualified property professionals in the UK and also internationally. Agents can identify referral partners based on service standards, responsiveness, and instruction volumes, helping to ensure customers receive a seamless experience throughout their property journey. You can get more details at propertymark.co.uk/connect.
For more details, check propertymark.co.uk.
As always, thank you for listening to Propertymark Pulse. We are back in 2 weeks' time. Don't forget, this time next week, Propertymark One, in association with Rightmove, is taking place at the Excel in London. You can still grab tickets, and to find more information, head to propertymark.co.uk/one. And if you're going on the day, don't forget you need to download the Propertymark One app to attend as well. Right, have a top week, and I'll catch you again on the 19th of June.